Question number 8. A snooker ball has a mass of 200 grams, 0.2 kg is the mass. It is the cushion of a snooker bar table and rebounds along its original path. Okay, the ball arrives at the cushion with a speed of 14 meter per second. So V1 is given to you, and then leads at a speed of 7 meter per second. So V2 is also given to you. The ball and the cushion are in contact for a time of 0.6 seconds. Time is given to you. So what is happening over here? See, when I say V1 and V2 here, and you say it's a rebouncing, it's a rebounds. What do you mean by it? It changes its direction, right? So therefore this should be negative over here. Now what is the average force exerted on the ball by the cushion? Now how do you find? Force is equal to mass into acceleration, which should be m into v minus u divided by t over here, which should be m. What is m here? m 0.2 0.2 multiplied by v. What is v? V is minus 7. What is u? U is nothing but initial velocity, which is minus 14 divided by time taken. Time taken is 0.6. When I do this, what is the answer I get from here? Let us calculate what is the answer I get. I get 7 plus 14 is 21. 21 divided by 0.6 is equal to so much, 35. This multiplied by 0.2 will give me 7. So the answer should be 7 Newton, which is the right answer. Okay, if you ask me, why did you get this minus 14? Okay, see, it is something like this. You have a ball which comes like this, it hits here and then it goes back like this over here. So what is that you need to do? You need to consider which is the x-axis, which is the y-axis. Okay, the x-axis is your x-axis. What is your y-axis? Y-axis is this axis. So if a ball is moving towards the x-axis, take it positive. If it is moving backward, it is negative. So I took Vx to be positive, right? So therefore u is positive. But in the formula, if you look at this, it is v minus u over here. Okay, u is positive, so I can put 14 over here, but this negative sign I can't change anything, right? So therefore you get this final answer.